Do you know tree? The major
What is the
work of tree,
major work of the tree?
maintaining
Maintaining
this beautiful
this beautiful
world climate vacuum where we are living,
where we are living,
getting actually fresh air,
actually fresh
oxygen,
air, oxygen
without having,
without
without taking
without
fresh
taking
oxygen,
fresh
air,
air.
you cannot stay
You cannot
yourself
stay yourself
healthy,
healthy,
powerful, strong.
strong.
No, health is the real
Health
wealth.
is the real wealth.
So please
So please
try to plant more tree
try to plant more
if
trees.
you want to see
If you want
yourself
yourself
healthier, stronger, powerful
powerful
person in your
in
life.
your life
This
to live
happy and
happy
healthy life.
and healthy life.
That's why
That's
this
why
is the point.
this is the point.
You try to understand, my dear friend.
You try to understand.
Everybody is responsible.
Everybody is responsible.
Here, please tell me,
Please tell me
who is planting tree?
who is planting tree?
Anybody here, please raise their hands.
Anybody
Please raise their
here?
hands.
Please
Who
raise
is
your
planting? Who is watering tree? पानी आप प्रेजेंट करोगे। सबसे बड़ा चैलेंज जो होता है बोलना, सबसे बड़ा जो चैलेंज होता है वो किसी चीज की शुरुआत करना, किसी चीज का प्रारंभ करना, किसी चीज की स्टार्टिंग करना, किसी चीज को क्या करना, शुरू में कैसे ग्रीड करना है, कैसे अपने आप को सेट करना है, ये बहुत बड़ा चैलेंजिंग इशू होता है जो ज्यादातर लोग क्या करते हैं, फेस करते हैं। और जो लोग यहाँ बोलते हैं, जो टीचर हो या ट्रेनर है या ट्रेनिंग है, उनके पास स्टार्टिंग का इतना जबरदस्त तरीका हो जाता है क्योंकि दे आर ब्रश अप डेली basis from morning to evening, night to each and every time continuously 1 year, 2 year, 3 years they are doing, they are starting, they are inaugurating same activity daily. That's why they have well amazing wonderful way of putting delivery. So but guys, you have not practiced well, you have not wonderful practice yourself. That's why you are facing problem. Your selection of the topic, this is very attractive. आपने टॉपिक बड़ा अच्छा सिलेक्ट किया है, आपने पॉइंट बहुत याद करके आए हो, बहुत अच्छा है, लेकिन शुरू में कैसे क्या करना है, स्टार्ट करना है, कैसे अपने आप को सेट करना है। फर्स्ट एक्सप्रेशन इज द लास्ट एक्सप्रेशन होता है। शुरू में आते समय ही अगर आप क्या हो गए, हिल गए, अगर आप नर्वसनेस हो गए, अगर आपने अपने आप को यहाँ पे स्टैंड नहीं किया, डिटरमाइन नहीं किया, यहाँ आप कंसिस्ट नहीं हो पाए शुरू में, तो आपको यहाँ पे टिकना बहुत मुश्किल हो जाता है। ऐसे ही जैसे क्रीज पर कोई बल्लेबाज आता है और क्या करता है, अगर वो शुरू में आंख नहीं जमा पाया तो उसका रन बनाना बहुत ज्यादा क्या हो जाता है, मुश्किल हो जाता है। तो सेम सिमिलरली यू कैन अप्लाई सेम एक्टिविटी। अगर शुरू में अपने आप को आपने जमा लिया, यहाँ जमाने का मतलब है कि शुरू में कैसे बोलना है, कैसे मेंटेन करना है, कैसे लोगों को अट्रैक्शन बनाना है, अगर ये आइडिया एंडिंग करना आना चाहिए। दो काम है, स्टार्टिंग सबसे बड़ा चैलेंजिंग क्या होता है, इश्यू होता है, और एंडिंग भी एक बहुत बड़ा इश्यू होता है, जो दो लोग क्या करते हैं, हम लोग फेल हो जाते हैं, जो लोग प्रैक्टिस नहीं करते। बात समझ में आ रही है? तो हमें बार बार यहाँ यही बात आपको बताता ना कि जब मैं आपको शुरू करता हूं तो 10-20 तरीका होता है शुरू करने का, प्रॉपर कैसे शुरुआत की जाएगी, कैसे लोगों को बताया जाएगा, कैसे बैकग्राउंड लगाया जाएगा। ये बातें अगर आप कैच कर ले रहे हो, मिमिक कर ले रहे हो, घर पे प्रैक्टिस कर ले रहे हो, तो बहुत जल्द आपको रिजल्ट मिलेगा कि यहाँ आपको आने का मन करेगा। और जब आओगे एकदम जबरदस्त तरीके से यू आर गोइंग टू परफॉर्म, दिस इज माई गारंटी 100%, आई हैव श्योरिटी। यू आर गोइंग टू हिलाने, यू आर गोइंग टू परफॉर्म, यू आर गोइंग टू बिकम चैंपियन ऑफ anywhere in this universe. You have wonderful idea, tips to say yourself, to represent yourself anywhere. Again try So respected sir and my dear friends, sister and brothers, ladies and gentlemen, very enthusiastic good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon everyone. ठीक है, आराम से बोलना है। अगला सेंटेंस क्या आएगा उससे सोचने की आपको जिम्मेदारी नहीं है। हम अगला नहीं बोलते, दूसरे के बारे में सोचते हैं, दूसरा क्या बोलेंगे, क्या बोलेंगे, वही पिछला भी चला जाता है।
And to all my dear friends, very good afternoon to all of you.
अब देखिए आपका साउंड बिल्कुल एक ही जैसा है, वॉइस मॉड्यूलेशन नहीं हो रहा है। वॉइस को क्या करना है, कहीं तेज कर देना है ना, कहीं स्लो करना है। दिस एक्टिविटी एक्चुअली यू हैव टू अप्लाई ना। और आपकी बातों में, आपके साउंड में अपनी अभी उतनी एनर्जी नहीं दिख रही जितनी रिक्वायर है यहाँ पे। आपको कहना है क्या, रिस्पेक्टेड सर and my dear friends, sister and brothers, ladies and gentlemen, good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon everyone. Hello, hi, good afternoon everyone. Good afternoon everyone. फिर से बोलिए, हमारी बात को रिपीट करिएगा। रिस्पेक्टेड सर
respected sir,
एंड माय डियर फ्रेंड्स,
and my dear friends,
सिस्टर्स एंड ब्रदर्स,
sisters and brothers,
डियर लेडीज एंड जेंटलमैन,
ladies and gentlemen.
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन,
Good afternoon, everyone.
गुड आफ्टरनून एवरीवन।
Good afternoon, everyone.
That's a great,
That's a great,
nice,
nice.
that's a great,
That's a great,
nice.
nice.
Today
Today,
my arrival
my arrival
here on this month,
on this month,
on this way, on this place.
on this place.
This is the place of Azamgarh, exactly sir, ज़मीन है आजमगढ़ पे, right? This is, हाँ
This
बोलिए,
is
हाँ,
this is the place of Azamgarh.
yeah, right. Today
Today,
I got chance
I got chance
to connect you,
to connect
to
you,
meet you,
to meet
to talk you, to
talk
discuss
you,
you,
to
to
discuss
share you.
to share you.
Very important,
Very important,
significant
significant
topic.
topic.
This is
This is
requirement of
requirement of
worldly, globally.
globally.
Today's
Today,
our selected topic.
our selected topic.
This is
This is
very
very
useful in
and
our life.
in our life.
My dear friends,
My dear friends,
this is
this is
tree.
tree.
Again, I try tree,
Again,
tree,
tree.
tree. Tree means पेड़। पेड़ हमारा क्या है? Tropic है। You know, ladies and gentlemen,
You know, ladies and gentlemen,
main problem is that
main problem is that
people,
people
they are not giving value,
they are not giving value,
status,
status,
power,
power,
tree.
tree.
They don't know actually
They don't know actually
what is value of tree,
what is value of tree,
what is power of tree,
what is power
how
of tree,
much
how much
valuable,
valuable,
precious
precious
tree in our life.
in our life.
Majorities
Majority
unaware,
unaware,
zero, they
zero,
don't know.
they don't know.
I see,
I
you
see,
see
you
in
see
our society,
in our society,
in our country,
in our
in
country,
your village,
in your village,
we are looking.
we are looking.
No one is planting,
No one is planting.
no one is watering,
No one is watering.
no one is caring,
No one is caring.
no one is guiding,
No one is guiding.
no person is
No person is
aware,
aware,
active,
active,
serious
serious
to plant,
to plant,
to grow up,
to grow up,
to water,
to water,
to care.
to care.
Tree.
Tree.
This is the big and main problem
This is the big and main problem
in our country.
in our country.
You know, my dear friends,
You know, my dear,
why are we facing problem?
why are we facing problem?
Why are we
Why are we
facing difficulties?
facing
This
difficulties?
time
This time
in summer season,
in summer season,
temperature goes
temperature
very
goes
high.
very high.
You should know. You know
You know
what are cause of,
what are cause of,
what are main cause of
what are main cause of
going
going
temperature very high. There is one big cause
There is one big cause
of not planting
of not planting
tree,
tree,
cutting the tree,
cutting the tree,
not caring the
not
tree,
caring the tree,
not planting the tree,
not planting
not
the
watering the tree.
not watering the
Ladies and gentlemen,
tree. Ladies and gentlemen,
study more,
study more,
study more,
study more,
know
know
and open the book
open the book
and know
and know
ki what is the global warming,
what is the global
what
warming,
is the role of global warming in our country, in this world.
what is the role of the global warming in our country on this and
On
world.
this earth. Do you know tree?
You know tree,
What is the major
what is the major,
work of tree?
major work of the tree?
Maintaining
Maintaining
this beautiful
this beautiful
world climate vacuum where we are living,
where we are living,
getting actually fresh air,
actually fresh
oxygen,
air, oxygen
without having,
without
without taking
without
fresh
taking
oxygen,
fresh
air,
air,
you cannot stay
you cannot
yourself
stay yourself
healthy,
healthy,
powerful,
powerful,
strong.
strong.
No, health is the real
Health
wealth.
is the real wealth.
So please
So please
try to plant more tree.
try to plant more
If
trees.
you want to see
If you want
yourself
yourself
healthier, stronger, powerful
powerful
person in your life.
in your life,
This time
this time
you all are
you all are
human is
human
weak.
weak.
That's why
There's
problem creates
problem
in their rights, in their life.
life.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
there are many bad
there are many bad
gas you are taking
you are taking
yourself,
yourself,
but you don't know,
but you
you don't care actually
care.
what I am taking, what I am taking,
Actually what I'm taking,
what I am leaving.
what I'm living.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
you can experience
you can experience
this idea
this
very
idea
easily
very easily
whenever
whenever
you visit
you visit
around the tree,
around the tree,
under the garden,
under the garden,
under the tree,
under the tree,
under the bag,
under the
you
park.
feel
You feel
relaxed,
relaxed,
comfortable.
Actually,
I came
I came
some special place
some special
where
place where
we getting
we getting
very cool
very cool
and fresh air.
and fresh air.
Now you can experience
Now you can experience
how is
how is
climate of
climate of
that garden,
that garden,
how is climate of
how is climate of
your room,
your room,
your kitchen,
your
your
kitchen,
bathroom.
your bathroom.
You see,
You
you
see.
feel, this is the difference.
You see
This is the
this is the
differences,
differences,
my dear friends.
my dear friends.
My dear, so I want to recommend,
So I want to
I want to suggest,
suggest,
please
please
be active,
be active,
be serious,
be serious,
be energetic,
be energetic,
be responsible,
be responsible,
be liable
be liable
to plant,
to plant,
to care,
to care,
to water
to water,
tree.
tree.
Now
Now
you can save
you can save
this world
this world
from the
from
increasing
increasing
global warming,
global warming,
which can
which can
make
make
dangerous in our life,
in our
which
life,
can kill, which can
kill,
damage
which can damage
our life.
our life.
Ladies and gentlemen,
Ladies and gentlemen,
tree control
tree
many
control
gas
many
on the earth.
on the
It provides
it
a
provides
beautiful,
a
amazing climate to survive, to lead happy and healthy life. That's why this is the point
the point.
you try to understand, my dear friend.
You try to understand.
Everybody is responsible.
Everybody is responsible.
Here, please tell me,
Please tell me
who is planting tree?
who is planting.
Anybody here, please raise their hands. Please raise their hands. Who is planting? Who is watering tree? पानी आप पीते हो लेकिन पेड़ को कभी पानी
नहीं देते.
नहीं पिलाते हो, वो भी उस पेड़ के पानी पिलाते हो जो आपके घर में बोए हो, आपकी गुलदुक पहाड़िया. क्या? That is actually you are giving water कि लुक अच्छा दिखेगी. क्या दिखेगी? एक पेड़ सूख रहा है, एक पेड़ क्या है? सूख रहा है. आप समझ लीजिए आपकी लाइफ भी क्या कर रही है? सूख रही है. जितने पेड़ लगाए जाते हैं सूख जाते हैं. क्या होते हैं? सूख जाते हैं. आदमी को देख के सूख जाते हैं. कुछ आदमी सुखा ही देते हैं, कुछ तो उखाड़ लेते हैं. क्या करते हैं? उखाड़ लेते हैं. कोई वाटर देने वाला
नहीं.
दिस इज क्या है ना, ये आलम है. ये क्या है ना, ये आलम है. ये क्या है? आयरोनी है, ये विडंबना है कि व्हाट इज दिस एक्चुअली, व्हाट इज दिस एक्चुअली, व्हाट इज दिस. So ladies and gentlemen, hope you are getting my point.
You are getting my point.
Actually what I want to tell you,
Actually what I want.
actually what I want to put you,
Actually what I.
actually what I want to put in your mind,
Actually what I want to put in
actually
your mind.
exactly
Actually
what I want to say you.
What I want to
Please
say
tell me,
Please tell me.
please promise me,
Please promise.
will
me.
you plant tree,
Will you plant tree?
will you plant tree,
Will you plant?
will you
tree?
care tree,
Will you care?
will you water tree.
Will you water tree?
Now you see
Now you say
this world
this world
is look
is the
greenery
green
everywhere.
everywhere.
This is the reality,
This is the
actuality,
actuality,
originality,
originality.
if you understand.
If you understand,
Yeah, thank you
thank you
for
very
listening me.
much.
Have a good day.
Have a good
Love
day.
you, love India.
Love you.
Take
Love
care.
India. Take
Wish you all
care.
the best.
Wish you all
God
the
bless
best.
you.
God
Thank you
bless
very much. Thank you.